Well, we'll just be out here, man, taking the small puppies for a walk. As you guys can see on the hyperlapse, it's kind of windy though. I don't know if you guys can hear it on the mic. If you do, then you know. And look at this bike. Well, we're heading back, man. Just want to take the puppies for a short walk. Our favorite spot to walk. The old cut line. What? Garbage bag? What's garbage bag doing all the way over here? What the hell? Yeah, man. Beautiful day. I love beautiful days like this. Right, Stella? She said yes. Well, we made it back. We're almost there.